All right. So just let me go through all the screen, everybody. I tak dapat nak sebut nama setiap orang, but just let me go through 30 seconds. All right. Okay. Ambil gambar. Okay, hi. Ambil gambar kena cakap, aku kena senyum tu bagi peace. Baru korang ambil, jangan ambil masa muka aku macam ni. Aku dah kena banyak season lepas. Student-student lama memang tahu lah. Mereka suka ambil gambar bila I belum ready. Habis. Okay. Alright. Jadi stiker. Itulah banyak stiker last season. Okay, good. First of all, I would like to say welcome dan juga tahniah diucapkan kepada anda semua kerana berjaya masuk ke team Coach Andy. Okay. Me and Dr. Lina is one of the very first two yang sold out untuk season ini. And then we sold out, I think dalam 5 to 10 minutes dah sold out. Yeah. So, yeah, thank you for your support. Terima kasih. I don't know kenapa korang dekat sini. Mungkin disebabkan aiskrim yang saya letak dekat sana tu. Korang nampak aiskrim je, okay, beli terus. Itulah strategi marketing untuk kita. Tarik korang masuk sini, lepas tu habis. Rupanya tak ada aiskrim. Kalau korang masuk hari ni, sekarang saya cakap, tak ada aiskrim lah, gurau je. Macam mana? Terkejutlah semua. Okay, don't worry. We will come there. Okay. So yes, my name is Andy Tay. I'm also the season musim ini punya head coach. So terima kasih kepada saudara Kevin Zari kerana memberi saya kepercayaan. And also thanks to everybody here kerana memberi kepercayaan anda kepada saya. Okay, untuk membimbing anda selama 8 minggu ini. Thank you so much. Give yourself a big round of applause. Okay. Now, as I see dalam group tadi, during korang memperkenalkan diri, I nampak banyak message yang quite similar, I would say, quite similar. Number one that I want to address, okay, untuk saya, siapa yang belum lagi pernah talk to me like that, I akan guna dua language, okay, Malay and English. So, saya akan campur dua-dua. So, I hope you all are fine with it, okay. Bahasa Cina dengan bahasa Tamil, sekali-sekala dia akan terkeluar, sekali-sekala. Bahasa Sahabahan pun kadang-kadang terkeluar, bahasa Kelantan pun kadang-kadang terkeluar. So dia banyaklah, okay? Right? Okay, joking. Okay, so I nampak one of the very common thing that korang ada. Number one is what tau? Ada yang dulu dari dulu memang pernah join Jom Kurus Malaysia, satu Malaysia, JK1M. Lepas tu ada yang pernah join any kind of program, wellness program ataupun fitness program. Tapi kecundang, masuk laut, dalam sangat, bila time lepas raya, memang semua dah tambah berat badan and everything, okay? Now, everybody have this kind of problem, even including me, myself. But let me tell you one thing, okay? Program bukan soal kurus, I'm not sure what kind of message yang korang dapat. Mungkin korang ingatkan, okay, 8 minggu ini saya dapat mencapai untuk turunkan kgs banyak, 15 kilo, 10 kilo, 20 kilo. Banyak tu sasaran. Let me tell you one thing. Dalam grup saya, I only want realistic result. Saya tak nak benda-benda yang korang akan streskan diri. Korang set target you 20 kilo tapi tak tercapai, baru tercapai 5 kilo. Lepas tu korang menangis lepas 8 minggu. I tak nak macam ni. I want you to realize on reality. Okay? 8 minggu ini jangan jadikan dia satu stres, number one. Number two, jangan ingat kalau 8 minggu ini korang dah turun 10 kilo, lupa highlight, sorry. Let me highlight first. So my main thing is this. Untuk saya, untuk my student yang pernah join me dulu, okay? My very one advice yang sangat penting is this. This 8 weeks is for me to guide you. Okay, this 8 weeks is for me to guide you. Tapi yang paling penting is apa yang akan terjadi pada anda semua lepas 8 minggu ini. This is more important for me. Kerana saya tak nak ajaran saya setakat 8 minggu. Lepas 8 minggu, dah turun, let's say for example, dia dah turun 10 kilo. Lepas 8 minggu, dia tambah 15 kilo. Habis. Kita tak nak macam tu. Okay, so my ajaran is always based on I want you to look at long-term journey. Of course, kita ada dua target. Satu target dalam 8 minggu, apa yang kita nak capai. Mungkin 5 kilo, 3 kilo. Sekadar 2 kilo pun very good. It's achievement to celebrate. Okay? But second target is long-term journey target, di mana korang akan sasarkan target after 8 weeks. So my suggestion to those of my students that pernah join saya, I don't take you as my student tau. Maksudnya, I don't treat you as my student semata-mata. I will always treat you as bila, okay, let's say I take example BSK2. A lot of my BSK student is here. Bila sampai minggu yang ada 8 minggu kan, bila sampai minggu yang ke-5 ke ke-6, I start to realize that kebanyakan dalam grup itu, mereka dah tahu pandai jaga diri, dah tahu pandai, that they know how to take care, what to eat, how to work out and everything. And then I change my strategy. I tukar strategi I untuk jadikan mereka sebagai leader. I change them to teach them about leadership. Kenapa saya nak buat macam ni is because once they develop a leadership punya mentality, a leadership punya environment, they will start to inspire others. Korang adalah korang akan jadi sumber inspirasi kepada orang lain. Mungkin kepada ahli keluarga anda, mungkin kepada kawan-kawan rakan like very close friend of yours, and indirectly this thing will spread. This is what I always do. Because I alone cannot do many things. Tapi kalau saya ada hari ini ada 47 orang dalam grup ni yang dapat buat benda yang sama seperti saya buat, man, Malaysia gonna be happy. Everybody six pack tengah jalan. Bukanlah six pack lah. At least semua dah memang sihat, We very healthy. That's the main thing. Okay? So don't look at yourself sebagai seorang student. Yes, it's good to come in and learn. Okay? But always have that thinking that one day I'm going to be someone like Andy yang saya sendiri dapat jadi sumber inspirasi kepada kawan-kawan saya. Once you have that level, tell you one thing will change. You akan ingat apa ajaran saya, Kevin ataupun coaches yang lain seumur hidup. Kenapa? Why like that? Is because first thing you dah jadi sampel orang. Orang akan tengok you. Wow, Joyce, you changed a lot since the first time I know you. And then Joyce is like very normal tau. She's doing all those like she work out, she makan benda yang right. Not to say heavy diet, but eating right. Makan benda yang sepatutnya. So when people saw, dia akan jadi, kenapa you buat macam ni? What is the motivation? So hari ini, lepas session ini, memang korang akan rasa sangat motivated, betul? Korang akan rasa, semangat aku berkobar. Jom kita start esok. Relax, belum start lagi. Tapi jom kita start esok. But let me tell you one thing. Lepas 3 hari saya tak message you, lepas 3 hari kita punya group tak reply, tak ada aktiviti ke apa-apa, dan lepas 3 hari korang tengah busy dengan kerja korang, for sure you akan demotivated. Let me tell you, this is the fact. Korang akan rasa, tak apalah, kita tunggu next year. Tak apalah, kita tunggu next season. This is normal. Okay, korang manusia. Kalau yang tak ada macam ni, yang ada problem. Kalau ada problem macam ni, it's normal because you are human being. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. Motivasi is very good, but you have to find one thing that become a habit. Jadikan benda yang you bangun pagi. Okay, let's say for example, okay, I work out 3 times a week. Jangan jadikan dia satu stres, tapi jadikan dia satu habit. Bila dah jadi habit, bila masa dah sampai, korang tak buat, korang rasa macam, semacam je hari ni tak makan ice cream lah. You will have that kind of thing. Because why? You have developed a habit. Faham? Okay? So these are all the things that I will try to masukkan, implement into you all for the next 8 weeks. Okay? And all about positivity. Also in my group, I always love to have sharing about positivity. Kalau korang ada rasa macam like share something that you rasa message ini dapat inspire orang, please feel free to share. Okay, I always love to have this kind of thing. Okay, don't worry, tak late 10 minutes, no worries. Okay, so far semua faham? Faham, thumbs up. So this is how we're going to communicate, get the thumbs up. Alright, bagus. Okay, nampak memang banyak ramai yang tengah mengunyah-unyah tu. Kunyah apa saya tak tahu, tapi it's okay, it's fine, enjoy, it's Sunday. Alright. Next thing I want you all to know is bila I nampak your welcome note tadi, I do see that some of you ada injuries. Now, this is very important also. Untuk yang ada injury, saya, okay, mungkin saya as a coach, I may know you by what you've been telling me right now. Tapi I bukan doktor, okay? Saya tak ada kepakaran yang you think that I may have. I'm experienced enough to help you, I know. But I don't think that I can come into a level like a doctor advice. So one very important thing is, bila korang ada apa-apa injury before we start our session or during our session, please always refer to me. Coach, saya ada rasa macam my knee pain. Example lah, tadi siapa cakap? LC. Dia cakap dia punya right knee ada sakit. Okay, so LC will just come to me, coach, I have this kekacauan dekat my right knee. So let me know. If I think that I can help you, I know the answer, I will let you know. If I think I'm not capable, then I might need you to refer to orang yang lebih pakar, a doctor or physiotherapist, something like that. But the most important thing before all this happen is you yourself will know what you need to do by listening to your body. Selalu ask yourself, am I doing this right? Okay, I buat macam ni, I rasa sakit. Perlukah saya teruskan this workout ataupun pergerakan sebegini? Kalau tak boleh, stop. Me as a coach during my workout, I always push. Siapa yang cakap I garang tu, hey, I very tak garang. Nampak garangnya muka. Muka je garang, tak garang korang tak dengar. Okay, but anyway, my style is I always push. Okay, let's say for example masa kita buat plank, orang yang season lepas mereka tahu lah. Let's say for example Tamizi tengah buat plank 1 minit. Dia dalam seumur hidup dia tak pernah buat, contoh tak pernah buat plank 1 minit, tapi hari itu tiba-tiba saya suruh buat plank 1 minit. So I nampak dalam 30 saat dia dah drop. So Tamizi, you can do this. Don't. I will give all my motivation word lah. On that point of time saya akan keluar. All my motivation word akan keluar. I will actually pressure you in a way of positive way. Okay, I won't say bad about you, of course, but I will push you. But again, if you think that is too much, you rasa, coach, I memang dah tak boleh lah. Sakit tu dia bukan sakit muscle, tapi dia sakit semacam like I felt like it's injury already. Then you stop, because I won't feel how your body feel. Faham tak? I won't feel. I langsung takkan tahu apakah sakit tu, apakah rating sakit korang tu. You know? So bila in this kind of process, you stop. I completely understand. So this is my style of my teaching. Hasina cakap siap ada rotan. Rotan tu ambil aje. Okay, but okay. So this is my way of teaching lah. So don't over rasa macam. Just ingat one thing, korang bukan soldier, korang bukan askar yang akan pergi berperang. Okay, jadi askar diri sendiri di mana korang rasa I think I can, I do it. But some come to the end. Always listen to your body. Body cakap stop, you stop. Jangan sampai tercedera, because it's not good. Once you dah cedera, habis. You habis all the effort that you put in before this, and you akan the next 4 weeks or next 8 weeks you tak dapat workout because you cedera. So it's not worth it. Faham? Alright. So ini sangat penting yang korang kena faham. Alright. This is the way of my guidance and my teaching. Okay. And then I'm trying to telling you based on what I read tadi. Memang banyak, but then I try to make it as a purata lah, conclude the whole thing. So the main 2 things I think is this one lah. Yang ke laut, yang ramai yang ke laut lepas raya, lepas program habis, don't know what to do, tak ada motivasi. So these are all the things lah, and also injuries. Okay? So far semua faham? Boleh? Alright. So okay, next one. Done with the welcome note. So now next one, I just want to go into what will you be expecting apa korang akan dapat this coming weeks. Okay, so first thing is I just want to align the whole team lah. Okay, nombor 1, kalau boleh, alright. Kan kita ada banyak e-learning punya, kita ada banyak Zoom live kan, live Zoom punya workout and everything. Kalau boleh, bila korang masuk Zoom, korang guna ni. I think panjang sangat, just Team ND lah. Team ND, Hasina. Contohnya lah. Kalau boleh korang tukar your Zoom punya nama to this one, Team ND. I think tak payah Coach ND lah. Coach ND panjang sangat. Team ND Hasina. Your name dekat belakang tu. So why I need this is because I will actually go into the life of every coaches. Bukan semua, kadang-kadang akan masuk. Bukan checking korang whether you work out or not. Bukan macam tu. But I will go in there, I will look for you. Kalau let's say I nampak HP dekat sana, Alia dekat sana, Hani dekat sana, Syahadat dekat sana, then I'll go check you. whether are you doing the right thing or not. Okay, because ramai sangat dekat luar sana kan. I mean ramai peserta-peserta daripada different coaches. So I don't know where are you. So I kena tengok hashtag and then I pergi cari you. Tapi let's say for example mungkin starting of the week ada 80 orang, kesemua 75 orang masuk the group. So mungkin I tak dapat tengok semua lah. But at least I will just go pin which one. Because orang peserta lain saya tengok tapi mungkin I tak dapat komen banyak. So it's not my student kan. So I better don't kacau. But I prefer to work very closely with you. Okay, boleh? This is number one that we need to do. All right. Number two will be expectation on the 8 weeks. Maksudnya you will have one sesi senaman dengan saya sekali seminggu. Aside from all the open live, kita akan buat sekali seminggu kita punya workout. Okay. So kita punya workout, janganlah. Team Andy cukup. Okay. So my suggestion was untuk sekali seminggu tu kita akan buat hari Khamis 8:30 malam. Khamis 8:30 malam. Okay, now I tell you this. Mungkin kita akan ada kawan-kawan kita dekat sini yang ada benda ataupun ada tak sekali seminggu. Okay, yang itu nanti jap. So kita mungkin ada kawan-kawan kita yang akan clash. Okay, so every session saya akan buat recording like this. Dan saya akan uploadkan dalam YouTube because it's not, dia tak dapat record into e-learning, yang itu untuk yang open class. So untuk sesi private macam ni kita akan buat and then I will upload into YouTube. So I will share the link right after that and then you can check back. Okay, so untuk sekarang kita akan buat setiap hari Khamis pukul 8:30 malam. Boleh? Thumbs up kalau boleh, saya nak tengok. Okay lah, so far so good lah. Okay. Tak apa, yang tak dapat join, kalau ada clash ke apa, kita tengok macam mana. But now, because we cannot just follow everybody kan, so we try our best to set. Okay, so this one is okay. Alright. Then next one, this one is bonus for you all. Okay, I think not every coaches will do this, but I'll do this. Every Sunday, setiap hari Ahad. Not setiap lah. This time maybe not. Like last season I buat setiap hari Ahad pukul 2 petang. Saya akan buat satu sesi di mana I panggil dia Andy's Cafe. Andy's Cafe maksudnya korang akan masuk dalam macam hari ni, but it's sembang santai. So it's more like I catch up with you, you know. Then ada satu it's like we catch up with you, like knowing so how far is your progress, semua okay ke tak, dapat keep track ke tak, ataupun tak terlepas jauh, you know, this kind of thing every Sunday. But I think this round saya tak dapat buat every Sunday is because I think I will do only minggu ke-2, ke-4, ke-6 dengan ke-8. Either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 1, 3, 5, 7 minggu dia. Okay, it's called Andy's Cafe or Cafe Andy lah, apa-apalah. But we have one requirement on this one. Sesiapa yang masuk to this kena bawa ice cream. Siapa yang join sesi ni kena bawa ice cream, kena bawa biskut, kena minum benda yang manis, kena do something that you nak buat tapi tak dapat. Faham tak? Yes, it's a journey of kurus. Tapi bukan, I tak cakap you kena tak boleh makan ice cream and everything. So for this session, anything, makanan kegemaran, goreng pisang ke, apa saja yang korang ada yang nak makan, tak berani makan, come to me on that day, on that session, you bawa. Nanti you akan nampak yang my student lepas mereka akan tayang ni. It's time for them to show off. Tengok coach, my ice cream. Ini beli dari mana. Dia akan nampak lah all di situasi macam ni. So this kind of session is for me to get to know like your progress, and then I want you to feel relaxed. Saya tak nak benda ini menjadi satu stress. I know a lot of people here is parents. Kena jaga anak, you know, kena layan isteri, kena layan suami, kena jaga your work. There's so much stress. So I don't want these 8 weeks with me or with BSK become a stress. Saya tak nak. I want this platform jadikan dia sebagai satu tempat yang you can actually bergantung. You know, whenever you need positivity, you just come to this group, you dapat all the positivity from there. Macam tu. Okay? time PKP sekarang lagi ramai yang tengah dalam kesusahan ataupun depression. Okay, so that's why those who follow me before, they know my style lah. Okay. I'm not only into fitness, I'm very much into mental health. Okay, my what do you call it, my challenge yang kadang-kadang saya akan beri won't based on how good your burpee or berapa lama you boleh plank. Tak, it's how happy are you. I always look into this. Saya nak masuk Zoom aja nampak, I nak tengok orang-orang dekat sini senyum, gembira. You know, it's a fun. It's something to be like that. Okay? Benda yang macam ni yang dapat memberi anda lebih jauh. It will bring you further. Okay? Good. Okay, bagus. Dia lupa senyum, dia macam ni. Dia akan kena buat macam ni. Dia, oh, okay, sign. Alright, good. Bagus. So far, everybody understand. And then, what else I missed? Let me just look back at my note. Okay, yeah, basically everything is mentioned. Time check 2:26. Kita ada dalam setengah jam lagi. So now, for this setengah jam, feel free to ask me any question. Okay. Kalau korang nak, you can raise your hand. You can ask me the question. Ataupun korang boleh letak dalam comment box and I'll try to answer. Okay, one more thing. Oh, I nampak dekat group dah ramai orang tukar hashtag Team Andy. Okay, that's good. Thanks. Yeah, you can even do it now. Rename kalau you nak. Okay, one thing I want to say is, aduh, terlupa pula apa yang cakap. Okay. Lepas meeting ini, okay, what I'll do is I'll create one more group. Okay, here we have one team member by name of Bob. Okay, Bob is actually one of my staff in my Elite MMA lah. I'm also a what do you call that, gym owner. Saya ada gym sendiri, panggil Elite MMA. Okay, dekat sana I teach more on martial arts lah dengan fitness. So Bob is one of my staff over there. So what happens is I'll get Bob to create lagi satu group. Yang group itu adalah group info. Okay, now kita akan ada dua group tau, WhatsApp. Okay, dengan saya. Satu group ini yang kita tengah ada yang this current group. This current group akan jadi two-way communication. Dia akan jadi komunikasi dua hala di mana I can talk, you can talk. Okay, so kadang-kadang dalam minggu pertama dengan minggu kedua, group itu akan jadi meletup. Confirm. We just imagine dalam group tu kita ada 75 orang. 75 peserta. Setiap seorang cakap good morning, how are you, dua message. Dua darab dengan 75 dah berapa message tau. Just like that. So dia akan confirm letup. So let me get you the expectation untuk minggu pertama dengan minggu kedua, mungkin korang akan banyak sangat message dalam group. But don't worry, kalau you rasa group itu tak sangat membantu, korang boleh just jangan tengok group tu. Faham? Okay? But important group is the next group. Group yang kedua tu. Group yang kedua ini, Bob akan create dan akan masukkan everybody. And then this group will become a info group sahaja. Maksudnya, all the class link, all the class important notes only by me. Saya akan share kat sana. So dalam group itu, kita panggil dia info only group. So dia akan jadi satu komunikasi, satu hala sahaja. Okay? So in that group, kalau you rasa macam, you cannot keep with all the conversation going on there, so you just go to the info group. You akan dapat link. Faham? So korang takkan macam, what we call that lah, tenggelam lah dalam message tu, dalam WhatsApp. Memang akan banyak guys. I pernah bangun pagi buka mata ada dekat 300 message. But I don't want this thing to become a stress. I pun tak nak korang rasa macam tertekan bila ada situasi like that. So it's fine. Okay? Some people memang will be a bit chatty in a way. But one thing we want to try is kita cuba elak benda-benda yang beransurkan macam politics ke, or out of topic punya stuff lah. We try not to talk so much on that. Kita cuba fokus on benda-benda yang dapat memberi manfaat ataupun memberi faedah kepada orang lain. Like question like, oh coach, saya rasa lepas senaman saya rasa sini macam ataupun sebelum senaman saya minum terlalu banyak air, saya rasa macam tertekan dekat bahagian perut, dia rasa sakit. This kind of question dia akan banyak reply. Oh, because this one, because ada, coach saya pun ada lah. Dia akan jadi mungkin 20-30 message just for one question. Akan terjadi situasi sebegitu. So it's fine. Okay, because that group is supposed to be helping you. Okay, so again, kalau rasa macam too much message, go to the info group. Saya akan pastikan info group tu always updated. Boleh? Beres? Faham? Awesome. Bila thumbs up selalu smile Senyum tu kena ada. Aku nampak tu, tak senyum. Okay, bagus. Alright, so Bob, after this, you help me to create the group lah. The group is created, you just add them in. Thank you. Okay. Alright, guys. I think I'm done untuk my side. Actually, announcement sebegini dengan meeting sebegini, saya nak buat untuk minggu depan. Sabtu depan. Sabtu depan is our kick-off. Kick-off kita akan start on the pukul 10 pagi. And then adalah kalau KKM is coming in for the speech, lepas tu Kevin punya speech, me as a head coach punya speech, Dr. Lina, Pak Mam. Lepas tu kita ada satu sesi 1 jam from 10:30 to 11:30 kalau tak silap saya with Kevin. Then he will talk about the whole program lah punya stuff. Lepas itu saja I will have one session with me workout. Okay, like to kickstart the whole thing. That one is for all lah. So yeah, so next week will be 10 to 12 program dia untuk opening. Alright. Dan lepas tu next week malam kita ada dance night welcome party official one. Secara ramai-ramai. This time I think kita ada dekat public, kita ada dekat 3,000 orang untuk public. And then belum campur dengan sekolah. So sekolah juga akan masuk. So anytime kita punya Zoom mungkin akan menjangkau lebih daripada 5,000 orang for the workout. So let me tell you one thing first. Let's say kalau ada apa-apa yang terjadi ataupun ada kesukaran di dalam live or anything, please forgive us because we are also trying to explore better way to make sure everybody have a good learning platform. Okay? So we are still using Zoom kerana kita dah biasa dengan Zoom. We still using Zoom to run our classes. But Zoom kita mungkin akan jadi Zoom webinar lah. Dia takkan nampak, saya takkan nampak you akan nampak saya je. Zoom webinar. But that one will be the open live class secara ramai-ramai. But for my own class, we will have like that. Saya akan pantau you. So siapa yang tak buat plank tu, siapa yang tak buat benda yang saya cakap tu, akan kena makan lebih es krim. Okay, joking lah. Jangan serius sangat guys. Dia macam dah takut dah semua. Chill. Okay. So obviously my class semua akan jadi recorded lah. So if you miss the class or anything, you just go back to the recording. I'll share every time. Taklah takut. Okay, actually, and when I look at my group, I think I have about 30%. 35 hingga 40% is student daripada previous season dengan yang dari program-program lain yang pernah join saya. So mereka memang dah tahu my style. So kadang-kadang kalau dalam message tu kalau nampak macam benda yang kelakar sikit, ini confirm dari student lama. Because they are so used to me. And then, yalah, dia tak takut dengan semua tu. And guys, one more thing, please reach out. Okay, apa-apa saja, please reach out. Don't so scared. Okay, apa-apa yang rasa nak tanya, tanya. Don't worry. Okay, boleh? Alright. Okay, so time check kita ada dalam setengah jam lagi untuk sesi. I don't say kenal-kenal lah, because I think it's going to be very long untuk I unmute one by one. So what I can do here now is, kalau korang ada apa-apa soalan, you can hand raise. Hand raise ini, jadi guna button hand raise, and I unmute you. Or you can just drop your question dalam group. Let's go. If you have any kind of question, any question. Kita belum start Lepas hari ini, the group, kita punya group tu, saya akan tukar balik to admin saja. Pukul 10 malam, I will just change back to admin. And then kita just chill dulu sehingga kita kickstart. Kita ada seminggu lagi tau. So relax dulu, relax. Aduh, tadi aku nampak. Pakai produk apa muka bersih? Aduh, korang punya question memang power lah. Rasa glowing mandi dengan teh. Okay. Jap. Kita tak cukup masa. Kita jawab yang benda yang kena jawab dulu. Untuk muka tu, korang kena workout. Workout, minum air dengan banyak. Serious I tell you. Workout, minum air dengan banyak. And paling penting one more. Two more yang paling penting. Satu, kena ada tidur yang secukup je. Faham? Selalu, this is one thing that a lot of people tak akan ikut. Dia tidur memang tak cukup. Dia workout. then dia tak tidur mungkin 4 jam, 5 jam, tak cukup lah. What I mean tak cukup. I know kadang-kadang yang ada baby this and that memang cannot get this kind of rest, but try to rest whenever you can, because rest is a very, very good time untuk your body to recover from all the stress as in like your workout, your this and that, a lot of stuff going on in your life kan. So a good sleep is very, very important. Kadang-kadang I busy so I will get very, but I'll try to recover balik dengan sleep. Always very important. This is number 1. Number 2 is sentiasa happy. Serious guys. Happiness is something that's going to bring you youth. Youth means stay young. Yalah, stay young. Okay? Baru dapat glowing. Glowing pasal filter lah guys, filter laptop saya. Biasa nampak glowing. Glass skin. Aduh hai. Soalan ni selalu dapat every season. Kan, soalan famous. Okay, mana lagi? I think I saw one more. Okay, how to get rid of loose skin? Yang ni ditanya oleh one of the peserta. Okay, don't have to direct message. Okay, one more thing. If you think that it's very shy to ask personally, then it's okay. But for me, I always prefer you all to open up in the family. Okay, sekarang ini, all of us here, Team ND, we are not just I coach, you student. Saya tak nak ada relationship macam ni. Saya nak relationship kita jadi satu family. Faham tak? Take me as your brother. Okay, it's not just a coach but a brother. So I want when you share, feel free to share it out. Rasa macam it's like a family helping each other. Kadang-kadang message yang ataupun your soalan yang you tanya, mungkin saya tak dapat bantu. But you will be impressed that my past student ataupun your family members of others, dia dapat jawab soalan you. Kenapa? Mereka pernah melalui keadaan seperti anda. So, just ask. Okay? So sometimes there are questions that are more into ladies that I never experienced before and I don't have the kepakaran untuk menjawab. And we have my students, the past students which are more experienced, they will answer you, they will help you. Okay? So I have this question, how to get rid of loose skin? Now, loose skin depends on what kind of situation. So sometimes because like some of the people is because after, after deliver and everything, or there are cases like for guys, dia turun berat badan secara mendadak. Maksudnya dalam 3 bulan saja, dia drop more than 20, 25 kilos, sangat drastic drop. So when this kind of thing happen, you akan nampak loose skin dekat, ataupun flabby skin we call it, okay, dekat luar tu. So that's why I said sometimes it's good and bad. Ada pro and cons bila ada benda-benda seperti itu. So you have to look it in a positive way. For me, I always prefer it to be a very stable punya improvement. Maksudnya you set target, okay, this week 1 kilo, 1.5, 2 kilo. You drop slow and steady. Not like menjunam. Because menjunam, body you cannot recover on time, you akan nampak all this kind of flabby skin. Okay? But of course, there's also based on a lot of situation lah. Tak bermaksud apa yang saya cakap itu betul, but it depends. But to answer you generally, this is what my answer is. Okay? All right. Let me go into the other questions. Drop your skincare. Wait, Cop, skincare stop. Sekarang bukan skincare punya time. Cop. Nanti I suruh Rain ada Rain. Tadi nampak Rain. Nanti I suruh Rain share, dia punya skin lagi glowing. Rain is from my corporate, dulu corporate punya client, corporate student. Oh yeah, one more question I teringat. I have one, tadi ada seorang peserta dia cakap, she just mengandung, right? I don't know, you all read, I read everybody. She said she dah sign up, then after that she realized that she's mengandung. If I'm not mistaken lah, question dia macam ni. So dia cakap, first thing first is congratulations, Tania. Okay, and then yes, you have to understand how your body works. So try not to do a vigorous punya activity. My activity is always based, my workout is always based on HIIT sometimes. Most of the time, kita akan buat HIIT ataupun LIIT yang low impact. I will give you 2 options. Kita tahu everybody sini ada kebolehan dengan strength, okay, kekuatan yang berbeza. Mungkin Tarmizi is very, very strong, but Hana Bakri is not strong at all. Contoh, Okay, Hana Bakri dia senyum, dia tahu dia kuat. Okay, so so contoh. So when this thing happen during my workout, for example, I cakap, okay guys, kita akan buat jumping jack sebagai kita punya warm up. So saya akan buat jumping jack. Jumping jack yang normal kan kita lompat kan. So I will give you second option yang buat steps. Selalu my style is like that. So saya akan tengok siapa. So don't feel like nak mencabar orang tu tau. Okay, always mencabar diri sendiri. Just feel like, I think I can do jump, I do. If I think I cannot, it's okay walaupun you lelaki. Jangan rasa tercabar bila Hasina perempuan boleh buat. Joyce, kenapa dia fit ya? Perempuan dia boleh buat tapi lelaki dia tak boleh. No. It's not about gender over here guys. Kita tak akan bandingkan you dengan sesiapa antara lelaki dengan perempuan. There's no such thing like that in my team. Kita adalah equal. Semua sama. Okay? So just go against just compare against yourself. Jangan compare dengan others. Faham? So I'll give you 2 works. If you can do this, you do. If you cannot, then you do this. Alright? Yalah, brother boleh. I think I lose a lot of messages. I nampak banyak message. Okay, I'll just go down first. Perlu tak sediakan any equipment, Syafiza? Syafiza tanya, okay, selalunya my workout, kita jarang guna equipment. Because I know from home, kemungkinan besar, I will just assume that everybody don't have equipment. So kita akan buat workout berdasarkan body weight training. But sekali-sekala, saya akan suruh korang bawa botol yang kecil-kecil. Akan jadikan beban. Sekali-sekala kita akan guna kerusi. You know, this kind of stuff lah. What's that? Apa tu? Joyce. Okay, sekali-sekala kita akan suruh bawa benda-benda yang, you know, easy to find at home. Okay? Alright. And yes, yoga mat. Okay, untuk saya punya kelas, my session, kalau ada yoga mat is the best. Okay, untuk part pakai kasut ke tak? Okay, pakai kasut for me, I know macam Kevin selalu ada cakap it's better to wear shoe because it's good for your comfort, for your feet and everything. But sometimes for me, when I see my kind of workout, saya tak banyak macam pergerakan yang sangat-sangat besar. So it's more like a static, like for example, plank and everything. So this kind of workout doesn't actually require shoe. But it's ikut kesukaan you all, okay, it's completely fine. My advice is just like that, simple. Bila korang buat exercise dekat rumah, let's say dalam bilik ke, dalam ruang tamu, anything, then tak payah pakai shoe, tak apa. But if you feel you want to wear a shoe, then you wear. But make sure it's clean lah. Make sure it's clean shoe lah. Kalau tak, Tamizi, wife, tiba-tiba kena pelempang dah, I don't know, dah kena habu. Okay. My screen I nampak Tamizi, so I just I guna Tamizi as contoh. Okay. So yeah, kalau dekat luar tu outside, then I encourage you to wear a shoe. Okay. Because outside mungkin not like clean, kadang-kadang ada batu ke, tepi batu or anything. So if you do outside outdoor activity or anything, pakai shoe. Alright. So that's my style lah. And then yoga mat kalau ada is the best. Yoga mat is because kita tak nak, kalau you buat dalam rumah kan, kadang-kadang licin. So I just make sure that you don't tergelincir or anything. So we don't want all this thing happen. So kalau ada yoga mat, you can invest on yoga mats. Another thing that you all can invest is the smartwatch. Siapa yang ada is good. Siapa yang tak ada, you can consider. Bukan cakap wajib beli, but consider. Ikut kemampuan diri sendiri. Okay? Don't overcommit to something that, I kena beli ni, lepas tu you have financial issue. Saya tak nak macam tu. Kalau ada, good, because you can monitor your heart rate and everything. Kita akan tengok lah, we will have all these things. Then kalau tak ada, tak apa. But you can invest lah. It's a good thing to invest. Okay, get a cheap one, like even like Fitbits. I don't know, I didn't check the market price lah, but I think even 150, I think dah dapat kot. RM1, RM150, I think dah dapat. 200 lah. Somewhere around there lah. But asalkan dia boleh guna untuk you track your steps, guna untuk you track your calorie burn and everything, dah cukup. But calorie burn is not important for me. It's not important now. I will check, but it's not completely important because everybody ada different calorie burning after that, depending on your device. After that, I tak nak focus on this part dulu. After that, you akan tahu along the way when you training with me. Okay, and Yes, botol kecil, jump squat. Yeah, we have, yeah, like last season we have all this jump squat and everything. So same thing lah. Sesiapa yang tak dapat buat jump squat, you feel free to just do normal squat. In my class, I will tell you. Air untuk diminum paling penting di bawah, yes. Okay, I nampak lagi satu message. Sampai sekarang saya tak boleh buat pumping. Okay, adakah sebab tangan saya tak cukup kuat ataupun berat badan? Yep, it's a good question. It might be both. It's either your hand tak strong ataupun you mungkin berat badan you tak dapat, your hand tak dapat menampung that kind of weights. So same thing. I think I have a lot of students previously yang tak dapat buat pumping, right? You nampak yang anggur-anggur kepala itu, you know. Okay, ramai sangat tak boleh buat. But I have my way to teach you until you can hit it. But it's not one day punya benda lah. It's also not 2 days punya benda lah. Benda yang you nak capai, you have to do it consistently. Dan dengan cara yang betul. I will show you all this one during my workout. Okay? So once you reach there, korang akan nampak progress. Secara apa? Secara not secara drastic lah, but secara berperingkat. Yes, you will see your progress secara berperingkat. Okay? Don't rush on achievement. Let's say for example hari ni saya dengan Mashita compare. Saya boleh buat workout, push up, Mashita tak boleh. So Mashita is like, oh, I kena follow, I kena push dia macam Coach Eddie. Jangan macam tu. Cause kebolehan saya berbeza dengan kekuatan dia berbeza. So take it your own way. Hari ni dapat buat 5, very good. Esok lusa dapat buat 7, very good. That's improvement, guys. I dapat buat 70, but you don't compare with me, this kind of stuff. So next day dapat buat 10, very good. Always celebrate on small achievement, because all these small achievement yang akan membawa anda lebih jauh. Faham? Faham tak? Jangan selalu terus nak capai benda-benda yang tinggi sangat. Slow and steady. Very nice. Apa tu? Tengok apa watch. Yes, saya tak pakai suntuk lagi. Kerana kontrak saya dengan suntuk dah habis, so saya tak pakai suntuk lagi. Oops, ada staff suntuk kat sini ke tak? Sorry. Terlanjur. Yes, because I was one of the suntuk ambassador, so I kena sponsor. Tapi kontrak dah habis, saya tukar. And I try other watch. I sekarang pakai Apple. I'm trying Apple. But obviously, any kind of watch is also good lah. You just try. Garmin pun okay. Garmin, but I think Garmin is more to like macam sesiapa yang ada buat running. I rasa lah, for me lah. So setiap brand dia ada dia punya kebolehan yang lain. Like why I use Apple is because dia dapat manage, selain daripada workout, dia dapat manage my daily life. Macam I need to look at calendar because I have so many things going on, so I need to look at my calendars and everything. So I chose Apple this round, my first time. Dulu I memang pakai brand yang lain. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. So I think I hope I tak terlepas any kind of question. Kalau terlepas, don't worry. We still have a lot more time together. Okay, I takut nanti you nampak muka you rasa bosan. Bosan nak nampak Andy lagi. Mungkin I risau macam tu je. Okay. So we have 8 more weeks, guys. After this, chill out. This session is supposed to be next week, as I said. Tapi I buat awal because my team dah full. Korang semua dah on board. I think ada seorang lagi yang belum on board. Seorang saja yang belum on board. That one I will fix up with her after that. But yang lain semua dah dekat sini lah. So this is our family here, guys, for the next 8 weeks. And of course, I hope after these 8 weeks, we are still together as one. Okay, any more question? Time check, we are about 10 minutes away to close the session. Don't feel shy to ask, you can just ask. Okay, another question. Okay, she's asking me direct message, so you all cannot see. She's asking me, perlu tak smart scale untuk percentage measurement? Okay, this one terpulang kepada individu. Smart scale means yang skala, the weighing scale skala tu yang you step up, dia ada banyak percentage and everything. Kalau saya, to be honest, kalau dekat sana jauh, mine is very normal ni. I use normal scale untuk tengok. Okay. This one I give it to you. If you rasa you nak tengok, yeah, you can buy it. If you afford, you just buy it. If you think that tak payah sampai macam itu, for me I don't think it's needed lah. Okay, for me I don't think it's needed. Number 2 is jangan bagi my style along these 8 weeks also. Jangan bagi the weights, the kilo dalam skala itu menjadi penentu segalanya. No. Faham tak? Jangan macam tu. Hari ini, let's say for example, I'm 70 kilo. Hari ini, esok I weight my weight self 71 kilo, boom, terus down. Don't. Up and down 1-2 kilo tu memang biasa. Faham tak? Jangan jadikan yang itu satu stress. You nampak je 71, you terus down. It can be so much thing happening in your body. It might be because of your muscle mass dah ganti dengan fat percentage. So a lot of things will happen. So give yourself some time. Understand. For me, the most important thing throughout these 8 weeks is just enjoy the session, enjoy the workout with us, learn as you can, belajar not only with me, not only with Kevin, but with every coaches and also including the people here. Mungkin Syafiza punya pengalaman dengan Nana punya pengalaman berbeza. And because of Nana dekat sini and Syafiza dekat sini, oh I learn from each other. And then jadi lagi bagus. So take it as a positive way like that. Bukan just segalanya, okay? Faham? Jangan dapat 1 kilo dah naik tu you stress. No, don't do that. Kita punya kurus punya journey I don't call it kurus journey lah. Maybe I said sehat punya journey is forever tau. It's not only today atau 2 minggu atau 2 bulan, no. It's forever. Coach, I got sleeping problem. Deep sleep 1 hour every night. Will it cause problem to my workout? Okay, sleeping problem itu also depends on a lot of factor lah. Like sometimes before you all sleep, you know, I have student previously yang sebelum tidur dia suka tengok TikTok. This student, aduhai, dia tengok TikTok. It's fine. Dia cakap, I tengok TikTok, I happy tengok. Tapi bila dia punya TikTok, then I at first I don't know lah. I thought, why? Then I try to ask her, what kind of content your TikTok you tengok? Lepas tu dia cakap, I tengok workout. TikTok masa workout. Nak tidur tu. Dia nak tidur, dia tengok TikTok. Dekat setengah jam dia tengok. I tak cakap nama lah. She's here. Dia tengok. It's all workout punya TikTok. And then, I kind of guess like, when you tengok TikTok workout, you rasa macam mana? You rasa? Excited, nak buat. Nak tidur tu. You nak buat esok. Bukan sekarang. Tapi you nak tidur, you tengok, excited. But she pun tak tahu. I pun tak tahu. After that, I found out, oh, rupanya you tengok TikTok and you tengah, like, you know, like, berkobar, what? Yes, adrenaline rush. So when this thing happen, dia akan kacau your tidur. Simple thing like that, you know. Dia akan kacau your tidur. Ada yang tengok drama before sleep. Drama tu dia macam like sedih sangat. Sampai dia terganggu emosi dia, jadi dia pula yang sedih. Padahal orang sedih pasal drama aje. But because of that drama, dia kacau your whole feeling. A lot of things will happen. So you have to look. Some cannot drink coffee, some tak boleh drink tea before sleep. You know, all these things will actually occur. So you kena pantau baik-baik macam mana. Okay, very good question. I terlupa nak cakap yang ni. Coach, what about report of food intake? Okay, now. Report on food intake, I don't actually ask my student to do this. You know why? Kerana saya tak nak student saya rasa macam first thing stress. Number 2 is ada student, I tak cakap siapa lah. I mean ada lah dulu students yang because dia nak submit the report, dia tipu diri sendiri. Dia ambil gambar dari entah dari mana lah, dari Google ke apa-apa. Lepas tu I tengok, gambar ni macam, you nampak kan kalau you nampak screenshot, I think dia macam blur sikit kan. So I know the gambar is not real. But kenapa you nak buat macam tu? I mean, for me, I want you to be real. Kalau hari ni memang you makan nasi lemak, post lah nasi lemak. Nothing wrong with nasi lemak. It's okay, guys. Hari ni makan ice cream, post lah nasi ice cream. It's okay. It's fine, completely fine. Kalau korang siapa yang ikut IG, ini memang nampak kadang-kadang I post all the stuff. It's fine. Melainkan korang makan nasi lemak setiap pagi untuk breakfast lah. Itu lain cerita lah guys. Itu jangan. So it's fine to eat once in a while. Okay. So untuk saya, tak payah hantar report untuk food intake. It's okay. Tak payah hantar. The only report that kita akan ambil setiap minggu, okay, is your step count. Step count maksudnya every day kita ada step count tu. Like berapa you jalan, berapa ribu you jalan atau berapa ratus. Okay. You kena ambil yang step count tu. And then setiap minggu kita akan ambil your weight check. Okay. Now weight check is for us to just know what to do next. As I said, bukan segalanya. Let's say this week 70 kilo. At the end of this week, I 72, naik 2 kilo. So we know, okay, kita kena tengok, okay, what's happening. But bukan segalanya, bukan 72 tu you akan seumur hidup 72 tau. You will always change. Faham? So this is what we're going to track. These two things, step count dengan kita punya weights. Yang itu kita akan, I'll give you more info when kita dekat. Kita akan set satu Google link yang korang boleh masuk sendiri. Last season we have HP. Very good. She helped us to create the thing, and then everybody just masuk. Thanks. Okay. Berapa minimum steps biasanya? Itu terpulang juga actually. Kalau boleh lah. If you want to have, actually through steps I will know how active you are. Okay. Because steps memang takkan lari kan. We will know how active you are. Selalunya kita macam musim lepas kita ada ramai macam Yusni, Hasina, Joy. I don't know whether it's right or wrong. Mungkin yang terlepas yang nama anything. But memang ramai yang they try to reach 10,000 area, I think. Try to reach more than 10,000. It's good when you have this kind of target every day tau. 10,000 steps satu hari. It's good. Tapi jangan jadikan dia satu stress tau. Just relax. Kalau dapat capai ya. Kalau sekadar 2,000, okay je. I pun ada 2,000. When I sit on my desktop buat kerja, I pun 2,000. Sometimes I tak workout. So it happens. Kita manusia biasa. Okay, robot pun akan bakar tau. Akan terbakar. But don't overstress. Okay. So kalau you tanya saya, how much to aim? First week, I don't know. Everybody has different lifestyle. Okay, let's see how to do. Okay, maybe after the first week, kita akan ada sesi macam ni, then I will just give you suggestion. Then you akan filter, tengok you should follow ke tak. Okay, boleh? Okay. Okay, good. I think I have answered almost all the questions. We are at the end of the session sekarang. Okay, I do believe a lot of you still ada question lagi. It's okay. When time goes by, you can ask me in the group and everything. So, yes, gambar-gambar kita akan hantar juga. That one, same thing lah. Okay, thanks for telling me here. Since you asked, kita akan ada satu gambar di mana saya perlukan macam ni. You just, okay, let's say yang ni kertas kosong lah. Let's say example ni kertas kosong. So what you need to do is you just take a picture like that of yourself dengan kertas kosong dan nampak muka. Kalau boleh nampak satu badan lah dengan kertas kosong. Ataupun kertas tu you boleh tulis few things that I need. Number one is your name, umur tak payah, nama, kilo sekarang dengan kilo yang you tengah target. Okay, I will give you an example nanti dalam group. Okay, I'll just let you know for now, so you can do that. Okay, yang ini kita akan compilekan. At least I know. Okay, this is IDA. IDA, is it? Is it called IDA? Okay, IDA kan? IDA. Betul. Okay, IDA. So yang ni IDA. Okay, nama IDA, and then target weight dia sekarang. Example, target weight dia sekarang. Current weight. Sekarang ni weight. Sekarang is 50. Target dia 48. Macam tu. So bila korang set your goal, saya nak dia realistic. Faham tak? Let's say you sekarang 100 kilo, you jangan pergi set 70 kilo. Turun 30 kilo dalam 8 minggu. Bukan cakap impossible. Actually, in my experience, boleh. Tapi sangat stress on your badan. Sangat stress. Sangat stress. Boleh. I can cut 5 kilos in 1 week. My style. I dah lean tau. But I still can cut 5 kilos in 1 week. Bila I go for my competition. Dulu I competition MMA kan kita kena buat timbang, dan the next day kita akan pergi bertarung. So I can cut 5 kilo in 1 week. But that cut is called water weight cut. I cuma buang air je. Bukan buang fats. So it's different. So any kind of thing boleh, but I just want you all to be very practical. Target benda yang realistic. Okay, tak payah nak jauh-jauh. Tak payah nak compare dengan orang lain. Biar orang lain buat macam mana, you just compare with yourself. Hari ni nak 5 kilo lah. jadinya. Faham? So this one nanti I will share with you all. Okay? Any more question? Pandai Azura dia tersenyum. Macam ni. Bagus. Itu dia. Dah pandai. Thumbs up je kena senyum. Thumbs up senyum. Same thing goes, the vibe goes to every time, not only with me, dengan coaches-coaches lain, dengan your lifestyle, your company, your kerja. Smile. Smile can travel 1,000 miles. You takkan tahu tau, satu senyuman biasa dari anda, dia dapat sampai, don't know, everybody. Serious. It's a change. It's a change. Everything is coming back to you. So always smile. Tapi jangan masa nangis tu smile lah. Nangis, biar nangis. It's okay. Kita ada time yang kita akan susah juga kan. Terasa nak nangis. It's okay. It's fine. It's emosi biasa seorang manusia. Nak nangis tu, biar dia nangis, stop lepas tu. Okay, let it go and then you stop and then you recover back. Jangan biar nangisan itu jadi satu beban yang akan drag you for the entire journey. Okay? Alright. Lama juga I membebil. Dah juga bebilan saya habis. But I hope you guys get all the info that I need to give you all today. So far, I think kita dah kau team everything. Kau team means selesai dalam bahasa Cina. As I once a while, I'll teach you bahasa Cina juga. Okay. Anything else? All good. Semua faham tak? Faham I testing korang. Kalau thumbs up tu senyum kena ada. Yes, good. Excited. Nice. Okay, kepada lain yang tak buka video, it's fine. Okay, maybe sekarang pun tak. Dekat rumah kan tengah relax. So it's fine. But during your workout dengan saya, I will wish you to open video lah kalau boleh. Because why? Bila workout tu, I kena tengok whether position yang you buat tu betul ke tak. Okay, jangan rasa tertekan bila nak buka video. Tapi masa workout, I will encourage you to workout, to buka. Tak boleh buat, it's okay, it's fine. Okay, so I think that's all untuk hari ini. Let me stop my recording.